OnePlus 11 is already a great phone. In fact, it is one of the very best phones released this year. But when OnePlus 11 was announced, the company made it clear that there will be no OnePlus 11T or 11 Pro models. And it has been a while since the OnePlus 11 launched, and there are some really promising leaks on the OnePlus 12, which makes it look like even a better phone. OnePlus 12 is expected to launch in December in China and will come to the other parts of the world in the early 2024. OnePlus 11 launched in January 2023, which ensures that the next phone upgrade is expected this year, especially when there will be no OnePlus 11T and 11 Pro models. The phone is rumored to come with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, which is yet to be announced by Qualcomm. But according to the leaks, the SoC could have a new core setup in a 1+3+2+2 cores configuration. This means you can expect one big core, 5 medium cores and 2 little cores, and this should make the 8 Gen 3 more powerful than its predecessor. Apart from the SoC changes and upgrades, the OnePlus 12 is also expected to launch with a lot of similarities to the already great OnePlus 11, like 8GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage in the base model, and that same 500 mAh battery capacity, with the rumors suggesting no wireless charging and 100 watts wired charging support. As for the display, the OnePlus 11 has a 2K plus display with a refresh rate of 120Hz, and it is expected to be the same with the OnePlus 12 too, with a few minor improvements. Cameras can be a decent upgrade this time. Even though the configuration of the cameras remains same, primary, ultra-wide and telephoto, but the type of sensor and its star features may vary widely thanks to the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC. One rumor suggested that the telephoto lens could get a significant upgrade. According to the Yogesh Brar tip, it's believed that the phone could have a 50 megapixel main sensor, 50 megapixel ultra-wide and a 64 megapixel periscope lens. This arrangement is a big step up from what we have seen previously on OnePlus flagships. Regardless of hardware, partnership with Hasselblad is going to help OnePlus 12's camera's color science, and as OnePlus has already made a massive deal with Hasselblad over the past few years, I think we can expect some very good camera performance from the OnePlus 12's camera. As for the price, the OnePlus 8 Pro in 2020 launched at $899. Then came the OnePlus 9 Pro in 2021 at $969. Then came the OnePlus 10 Pro in 2022 at $899. But the OnePlus 11 landed at a shocking price of just $699, which made it significantly cheaper than the OnePlus 10 Pro. But OnePlus did some enormous sacrifices to land at that price point, like no wireless charging, no IP rating and the lack of high quality ultra-wide cameras too. In other words, it looks like the OnePlus saw great success with the OnePlus 11, and the OnePlus 12 will land at a similar price point with similar cost cutting, but that is just a speculation. So what do you think about the upcoming OnePlus 12? Let me know that down in the comment section, and if you are new here, please subscribe to the channel and ring that bell icon to get notified for the upcoming content. Thank you very much for watching, and I will talk to you in the next one.